When you have reached to that point, how are you feeling in your head? What's the thinking going on? Oh my God, really? I'm here? What was there in my vision? Is it a dream coming true? Is it a dream or am I really living it? What's the thought? I would love you to catch your thought. What's the thought coming to you? How are you feeling in your heart? Are you feeling deeply, deeply grateful? Are you feeling deeply loved? Are you feeling in oneness with the universe and the people around, as if no one is different, we all are one? Are you feeling that you are divine and blessed child of the universe? What's the feeling coming? Immerse yourself into that. Look around. What are the things you can see around you? Is it garden? Is it beautiful pool? Is it hills? Is it mountains? Is it beaches? Is it your loved ones celebrating your success? Where they get to enjoy who you have become. It's not about you anymore. It's about the lives you have touched. It's about the people who belong to you, who are so proud that Kanchan is my mom, Anuradha is my mom, Kajal is my soulmate, Gitanjali is my wife. The people around who are feeling so proud, celebrating your success because your success is not yours. Be in that energy, in your giant energy. And now, when you completely feel that, I would love you to open up your eyes, rub your hands, put on your eyes, let each cell of the body feel that. And open with the powerful smile that this is who I am. It's just a matter of time. Because really, this is who you are. I believe in you. Sometimes we need only one person to believe in us, and that is what a coach does. The coach believes in you first, right? All of you understood. Sometimes we need only one person who says you can do it. I know you can do it. I know you have it, right? All right. Be in this energy throughout the class, okay? Be in your giant energy throughout the class. And today we'll make your giant version. So let me share my screen. So we'll make your money giant version because all of us will have a different version, right? Let me know if you can see the screen properly and all of us properly. Can you see everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay. So now we will create your money giant version, okay, on paper. Now you should be so many times rehearsing it that it should feel like it's you. I'll give you an example. So there was a time, I think 5 years ago, when I wanted to address a group of people, around 1,000 people sitting, and I'm giving up the seminar. I really wanted to do that physical seminar, right? So where I'm addressing. So I've done a small group of people like 200, 300, but I have never done 1,000 group of people. So I really wanted to do that where 1,000 people are sitting and I'm doing the seminar. What I did in my mind was there was an image that I ran completely so many times in my head. I'm entering. I'm doing the candle lighting. Then they have put the shawl over me, welcoming me. Then I'm wearing this beautiful, gorgeous yellow sari, and then I'm there, and then I'm seeing around people. I have this mic over me in my hands. I'm running around. I can see the claps. I can count the numbers. I can see the people telling me there are 1,000 people in the seminar. Actually, I didn't had more than this place in the auditorium, so we had to keep some people out. All of that I'm hearing. Then it completed. The organizer came to me and they were like, "Oh my God, you have done such a phenomenal job, and we are very, very, very happy." And they just handed me 20 lakhs check. All of this happened, and I kept on running this for I think 6 months time. Okay, so this was in my mind 6 months. This I used to close my eyes, and this was the only thing going on. Around I think 8th month, when I kept doing this, the 8th month I attracted an opportunity where it was a government opportunity where I have to give seminars to all the schools and colleges, and exact amount of check that they actually gave me was 20 lakhs. Exact. Okay. And the number of people that were there were 1,000 students. I'll just show you. You might have seen actually, but I'll show you just to make your belief strong. No show off. I don't need to show off anybody of you. All of you know what I do and how I do. But just to make your belief so strong that it's possible. Are you ready to be in that energy every single day? Are you ready to sit in that? Are you ready to let go of the ordinary way of living where there is complaint, where there is 5 people will be sitting and they will be gossiping about some other people? But I would love you to become somebody when you are sitting with somebody, even others cannot gossip. Forget about you gossiping. यार गीतांजलि बैठी है, काजल बैठी है, अनुराधा बैठी है, कंचन बैठी है, ये सारी बातें तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. I'm getting become that. Okay, I cannot talk. They should raise in their energy just because you are present. Okay. Okay, I'll show you. First of all, let's do that. Make your money giant version of you. Okay, so I'll give you full 10 minutes. So you will write up, where are you standing in your giant? So what is money giant? Where you have everything that you have ever desired. Every single thing. Nothing is missing. Okay? So that is your money giant version. The version that you thought in your head right now, that was your giant version. Now where is that giant version standing? Write it. What are you wearing? How are you looking? How are you smelling? What all am I seeing? How am I feeling? What am I thinking? So just break down it so clearly that every time you close your eyes, it is very easy for you to do a 2 minutes of visualization. Okay, 2 minutes of runway, 2 minutes of money giant. Let's do it. Got it, all of you? If you got it, just do this. If there's any confusion, please ask me. Got it?
Yes, मैम एक बार हिंदी में बताइए.
आपका मनी जायंट वर्जन मतलब जहाँ पे आपके पास सब कुछ है, वो सब कुछ जो आप कभी भी चाहती थी, सिर्फ थिंग्स के टर्म पे नहीं, रिलेशनशिप के टर्म पे, लव के टर्म्स पे, मनी इज फ्लोइंग. ओवरफ्लोइंग स्टेज होता है ना, अगर मैं इस कप को फुल करती जाऊँ तो एक प्लेस आएगा जहाँ पे पानी नीचे गिरने लगेगा, मतलब मैं एक ओवरफ्लो के स्टेज पे आ जाऊँगी. तो आप उस ओवरफ्लो के स्टेज पे हैं जहाँ पे आपके पास सब कुछ है. तो आप कहाँ खड़ी हैं? क्या आप अपने नए घर के बाहर खड़ी हैं? क्या आप एक नई ट्रिप पे गई हुई है? क्या आप अवार्ड ले रही है स्टेज पर? कहाँ है आप? आप जब उस प्लेस पर हैं जहाँ पे आपके पास सब कुछ है, तो आप कहाँ हैं? आप कहाँ खड़ी हैं? मुझे बस आप एक सीन बनाना है आपको, इमेजिनरी सीन. जो चाहती है आप कि वो इमेजिनरी सीन आपकी रियलिटी में आए, क्योंकि जब हम बहुत बड़ा कोई सीन इमेजिन करते हैं तो चीज़ें अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली होने लगती है. तो मैं चाहती हूँ एक बहुत आपके कंफर्ट जोन से बहुत बाहर, जो आज तक कभी ना हुआ हो, जो आपके लिए एक ड्रीम हो, यार ये कैसे होगा. ओके, यू शुड बी रियली लाइक ये तो थोड़ा टफ है होना. दैट शुड बी इन योर हेड. देन यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ राइट मनी जायंट, जहाँ आपको लगे नहीं ये तो हो ही सकता है. मैं नहीं चाहती आपको वो ईजी लगना चाहिए, आपको लगना चाहिए ये थोड़ा टफ है, ये मुझे नहीं लगता ये हो पाएगा. राइट, इट इज़ द परफेक्ट, क्योंकि आज आप उसको क्रिएट कर रहे हो. धीरे धीरे जब उसको आप डेली प्रैक्टिस करोगे, इट विल बिकम योर रियलिटी, तब वो आपकी रियलिटी बन जाएगी. तो आप कहाँ खड़ी हैं? आप उस सीन में क्या पहना हुआ है आपने? उस सीन में आप लग कैसी रही हैं? उस सीन में आप स्मेल कौन सा परफ्यूम लगाया आपने? क्योंकि स्मेल ऑल्सो हैज़ अ मेमोरी. ठीक है, तो हर चीज़ जो डाला हुआ है उसका एक रीज़न है, क्योंकि स्मेल के अंदर भी मेमोरी होते हैं ना. आप क्या देख रही है आसपास, आप क्या सोच रही है, और आप क्या फील कर रही है. तो आपको हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर करना है अपने नोटबुक में. ठीक है, क्लियर? Thank you. Chalo, let's do it. I'll put up a music. 10 minutes you have, 9 minutes, complete it. Every time you're doing an exercise, go in your mind first, then write. Okay, let's do it. So you have to create the giant version, the money giant version of you, where are you standing, what are you wearing, how are you looking, how are you smelling, what all can you see, what are you thinking. You have to basically answer all the questions that is there on your screen. Ask me if there's any doubt in the chat. All of you done? Completed it? All of you have your Money Giant version ready? Yes? Great. So you don't have to worry that how will I practice it. You don't have to worry about it right now. You will know how to practice it. For now, just create it. Okay, just have it ready. Okay. One of the I wanted to show you one of the Money Giant version that one more of which one of you are the eyewitness. That is to have 1,000 people in my webinar. Kajal was there, right? So the even the organizer said it कि इसके पहले you might be knowing also इसके पहले also we have never had 1,000 people. Do you remember, Kajal? It was exactly 1K. Do you
Yeah,
remember?
yeah, I do.
Do you remember?
I do.
So it was exactly 1K people, and the organizer also said we have never had 1K. We'd always had 400, 200, 300, but 1K was never there.
Never there. Yours was the only webinar I attended like that in EY. Yeah.
Oh wow. So it was such a divine
Yeah.
connection,
It
see?
was meant to be. Yes.
It was
I
meant-
never attended anything like that, but the day yours was happening, I didn't know it was you, but I just put it in my calendar that for this 1 hour or whatever that time slot was, I'm not working. I'm just attending the webinar. So I kept that time aside only for that day, that one time. That's all.
Wow. You were
Yeah.
meant to come. So that was so beautiful. So that was also where exactly 1K was there, right? So whatever you are thinking, whatever you are putting up, it's coming true, right? Don't and take your thoughts. Once you will understand your thoughts are so powerful, you are not going to take it lightly. It's very powerful. Okay, the most powerful things in the universe is your thought. Make sure what you are thinking, right? Make be very, very sure. Where is it? Might be here. Yeah, this is where. This is not the 1,001. I will show you the 1,000. This is the 1,000. Can you see the college? There are 1,000 students total. The government project for which we are working, 1,000 students total, and these are all DC and all of those people. So 1,000, exactly the number of students is 1,000 here, not less, not more, because they had only 1,000 seats. So this is how powerful your thoughts are. I used to have long hair, only this year I have cut down just to have a different look. So, this was for the police officers. All of that is different. I have done for small because I used to work with the top people, so less number of people, never with the crowd, right? So this was a very beautiful experience. This 1,001, I don't know, I've kept it or no. This is sent to me by Anuradha as a gift, where all of the celebrities are wishing. This is from Anuradha. So yeah. The online one I'm not finding. I don't know where. This is the recent one. This is, I think, a week before. Here also 1,000 is not there. 450 people are there. After that, I have not reached. Not in online, not in offline. Okay, that was the only day, the 2 days. Okay, let's move ahead. So I would love you to take your glass of water, and we will create a beautiful affirmation for our own self, and you will repeat this for 2 minutes. How many of you feel love is a very important emotion that we all love to feel in our heart all the time? That we want to be surrounded with love. Love is the most important thing for you. If it is, just do this. Love is an important, very important emotion for you. For me, it is the number one emotion that I want to be. I want to be in love with myself. I want to be in love with my clients. I want to be in love with people I am. I really want to be in love. And the day I find that I'm not able to love this person because of XYZ reason, either I will cut down that person, that okay, let this person go from my energy. I cannot be with this person anymore. May God bless him or her, but I cannot be in love with this person. Let this person go. But I love to sit in love because that really makes me feel as a good person in my heart. Oh, I'm such a good person, and I love that feeling. So, all of you, I would love you to be in that love energy all the time. You cannot afford not to love because remember, what was the magnet? Emotion is the magnet, and in emotion, the number one emotion is love. Really have that love, absolutely. All of us, let's create this beautiful, yes. Kanchan, I say, yes. Okay, now take your glass of water, and for 2 minutes, I would love you to just put this affirmation in water and drink it. I live an awesome, loving life where
I
all
have this
areas,
in my hand. Hope it's okay.
yeah, it's perfectly okay. It's also water molecules.
Thank you.
Perfectly okay. So I live an awesome, loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. So this is one. I live an awesome, loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. So you are just sprinkling love in all areas of your life. Whether it's about your health, when you are doing your yoga, have love in that. When you are eating your food, you are in love. When you are opening up your cupboard and seeing the number of clothes that you're having, you are in love. When you are seeing, when you're meeting people and hugging them, you are in love. When you're sitting in meditation, you are in love with God, right? So at all times, no matter what activities you are doing, I would love you to really see the magic of love. Okay, so let's do it. So I'll give you 2 minutes. Let's do it. So you will just give this affirmation to water, and then finally you will drink it. Okay, got it, all of you, what you need to do? Yes? Archana, Kanchan, Anu, Kajal, Gitanjali, all of you? Yes? Okay. All of you got it? Are you feeling a little bit connected to love? Yes. I use a beautiful technique that I would love to share with all of you. The technique is, all of you might be having this mala at home. Somebody might have brought it, or it might be in your puja place. Anybody has this? If you have it, just do yes, right? This Rudraksh mala or any mala, doesn't matter mala, because we are going to do a different thing with this mala. So how I use this mala is, whatever one affirmation I'm practicing for the month, okay? So I'll choose the one powerful affirmation that I'll be practicing for the month. And while I'm sleeping, I will just, like if I'm doing this, so I'll be sleeping, but it will be there in my hand. And I'm really loving how beautifully it helps you to actually do 108 times. Otherwise, doing 108 times is very difficult. Okay, but when you are just sleeping and you can just keep this mala, I live an awesome loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. You feel it, move to the next beat. I live an awesome loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. I live an awesome loving life where all areas of my life are filled with love. And you will complete it. You can just lie down and do this. Okay? So it doesn't need to be like a very religious thing where you have to sit in a proper position, and you can do if you can. I don't do that manner. I lie down, I'm sleeping, and then I'll be doing it, right? So you could do it in that manner. And if you are really a person who sit to do puja, I cannot do puja for long hours. I'm not that person. I can do meditation for long hours, but puja I cannot do for long hours. I just use agarbatti and put it. Only that is my 1 minute puja that I do. So if you can do, please do it sitting. If you cannot do, just while sleeping, I would love you to keep it. And it will be like a reminder also for you. The good thing is it's like a physical reminder for you to do it. If you loved it, just do yes, loved it, or let's do this one. This one I loved. Yes, right? Because it will remind us of the love that we have to carry in our heart. Okay. Now go and either open up your bank account or bring your wallet. So you can do any of that. Either you can bring your wallet if you keep money in your wallet, or you can open up your bank account or anywhere where you keep money, just open up that or bring your wallet. If you carry your wallet everywhere and you have money in your wallet, bring that or open up your bank account, any of the places. I would love you to just open up in your phone. So you all are joining in from laptop. I would love you to open up on your phone. So anytime normally when we open up and we don't understand money energy, when we open our bank account, what do? Oh my God, only this much is left. Oh, this month too, I have just spilled like crazy. What have I done this month, right? Where has all the money gone, right? Normally this is our reaction, correct? Or this much is left, or this time the salary came a little bit less, whatever. Now every time you will open up your bank account, and I'm telling you at the end, this all will be put in your DNA, I promise you. It will be part of your DNA. Okay, that means you don't have to force yourself, or you don't have to do it like with lot of effort, but it will be part of your personality to do this. So don't worry if it is not now. I don't expect also that now it should be. What I expect is at the end of this 21 days that we are spending together beautifully, every hour giving to money energy, that is 21 long hours, it should become part of your personality. So every time you open up your wallet, okay, so go and bring your wallet or open up your bank account, and you will give this affirmation rather than saying, bas itna hi. Oh, this much is left. Oh, only 10 lakhs is left. Whatever. Oh, only 5 rupees is left. Whatever comes to you. I would love you to give, you are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. What is the affirmation? You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. Bounty means the full amount. Something like which is in full, right? So you are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. So 2 minutes I'll give you. All of you understood it, just do this or this or this. Okay? Yes. Great. All right, let's do it. So 2 minutes. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. And have a smile. Smile should be your physical anchor that you are in alignment with the universe, with the alignment of the abundance, with the alignment of all the goodness of the world, right? When you see somebody smiling, don't you feel better? Right? And just look at my face, okay? I'll just... stop sharing so that you all understand that it's so important. Okay, now look at my face. This is the face. I have the jewelry, I have everything is there, but this is my face. And now change. Can you see the accessory that you all have, but you're not using? Use it, okay? Keep this at all times. Show the universe that you are ready. So that's why we see a person in complete makeup, in the latest sari and everything, but we don't find that person beautiful sometimes. And sometimes you'll see the people in like minimal things, but we love that person. It's the inner beauty that we love. So keep this. Okay, outer beauty, if you want to really keep at all times, please keep this. Same goes for all of you. All of you, don't smile for 1 second. Don't smile. See your faces. I will show each one of you, okay? One by one. So let's. Don't smile now. Just be like this. Okay? Don't smile. Don't smile. No smile. No smile. You all are smiling. Keep the smile inside. No smiling. Now you're scared to look at your faces without smile. You will have look at it 1 second. You will never be without. Don't smile. I don't want any smile. Be serious. No smile. Smile नहीं चाहिए. किसी कोई आया यार अभी बहुत कुछ सुना के गया है तो स्माइल तो नहीं आएगा ना. Don't smile. And now I would love each one of you to put your smile back. Can you see how beautiful you all are? Use it more. Okay, let's do it. So open up your wrists and I'll give you 2 minutes. Put this affirmation in your wallet, in your bank account. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. I'll put it in the chat also. You are even now filled with rich bounty of the universe. Okay, great. So every time you will open to see your balance, every time you'll open up your purse, rather than saying itna hi bacha hai, I would love you to say you are even now filled with rich fountain of the universe, and I appreciate it, and I appreciate what's there. Okay, fine. So we'll do now a quick prayer. This is a very, very powerful. Yeah, please say. Archana said something. Okay.
Ready.
Nothing. Okay. The divine said something. All right. So it's a very beautiful prayer. It's a Hawaiian technique where there was a doctor, and that doctor, what the doctor did is he was given in charge of a place where people were mentally disturbed. Okay. So what the doctor did is the four lines that he kept using. So everybody who used to get duty in that hospital, that particular doctor used to say, "मैं यहाँ काम नहीं करने वाला. It's like a mess place. I can't work here." But this doctor used something very different. So he used four sentences. "I'm sorry. Thank you. Please forgive me. And I love you. I'm sorry. Thank you. Please forgive me. And I love you." So these are four powerful sentences that he kept using for all the patients that was there in the hospital. Okay, so he used to sit at his place and he used to imagine each of the patient, look at the reports of each of the patient, and he has seen also. So every time, so he will see, okay, Reena, and this is the problem that Reena is going through. He has seen Reena already, and he used to imagine while he's reading the report that Reena, he will imagine Reena, and for 2-3 minutes, "I'm sorry, thank you so much, please forgive me, and I really love you." That means sending the 4-line sentences, right? We all like to hear these 4 sentences. "I'm sorry for what I did." How many of you are waiting for that sentence to come from somewhere? "I'm sorry for what I've done to you." All of us, right? One person we have कि भाई सॉरी तो बोल दो, कम से कम समझ तो लो यार तुमने इतनी बड़ी गलती की है, right? Thank you so much. We all want that gratitude. We have done so much for so many of people, but so handful of people are showing up that gratitude, correct? So thank you so much. Please forgive me. No matter what the person have done, we say कि हम तो ready है तुम्हें forgive करने के लिए. At least you ask for forgiveness in that manner that I feel like forgiving you, right? And I love you. I love you is the sentence which can actually fix a lot of things. So anytime now you will have something from like with a friend, with your sons, daughters, husband, wife, go and say this sentence. Hug them and so do this. It will work. Okay? Just put their hand in your hand and say, "Do you know what? I really love you. I know what happened today was not good, but do you know what? I really love you. I'm sorry what I did." And sometimes we don't want to say sorry, it's okay. Just say, "I love you." I don't like to say sorry. Go and say, "I love you." That we can say, right? Okay, so let's do it. So I'll give you 3 minutes. So we don't have time. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We will do this prayer together. And then the day 3 sheet. All of you have got a Xerox. I want the Xerox. Good. Anuradha, I can see. Dr. Lalan, I can see. Great. Where is the Xerox? Archana, Gitanjali, Kanchan, Kajal?
I don't have it today, but yeah, tomorrow it will be ready.
Yeah.
Tomorrow it's
Yeah, I don't have it today.
okay. No worries.
I have the PDF open.
Get the Xerox, because when you handwrite, both of your subconscious, both of the part of your brain works actually. That's why I wanted to have it Xerox. Write it. Okay. Kanchan has done in writing, but not in this. In notebook she has done.
Yes, ma'am. Now I am out of city. मैं अभी बाहर हूँ. Then I will go and Xerox.
ठीक.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. If you can get it Xerox, it will be really helpful if you have it in this. So just close your eyes for a second. We'll do this prayer 2 minutes, and then I'll explain you what you need to do next. Put your hand on your heart. I'm sorry, abundance. Please forgive me, abundance. Thank you so much, abundance, for always being there in my life. And I really love you and appreciate you, abundance. Connect with yourself. Let's do it one more time. I'm sorry, abundance. Okay, all of you unmute yourself. Let's do it together. Unmute, because it will create powerful energy together. Unmute. I'm sorry, abundance.
I'm sorry, abundance.
Please forgive me, abundance.
Please forgive me.
Forgive me, abundance.
Thank you so much, abundance, for always being there in my life.
Thank you so much, abundance.
I love you, abundance.
I love you, abundance.
I'm sorry, abundance.
I'm sorry,
abundance.
Please forgive me, abundance.
Please forgive me.
Thank you so much, abundance, for always being there in my life.
Thank you so much.
I love you, abundance, for always being there.
I love you, abundance.
Abundance for always being there.
Let's do it together. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you.
I'm
Thank you.
sorry.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much.
I love you.
So much.
I love you.
I love you.
I'm sorry.
I am sorry.
Sorry.
Forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I love you.
I love you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
And I love you.
I love you.
So this powerful prayer actually helped all the patients that were there not being treated from so many years. They all got well, and that hospital closed finally. This is the power of these 4 lines. Okay, so use these 4 lines for anything you can use, actually, to heal your relationship, to heal your money, to heal your happiness, to heal anything. You can use this 4 lines for your patients, anything. Okay, you can write this, Dr. Lalan, in your prescription. If somebody is like mentally like a lot of overthinking, or the relationship is not going well, or whatever, they are about to deliver a child, do this prayer every time, because when a doctor writes it, patient really takes it seriously. कि ये medicine लेना है तो they will take, ये prayer करना है they will do. So doctor is such a like a.
I want to share my experience.
Yes sir, please do that.
मेरा जो बैक का प्रॉब्लम था मैंने आपको बताया था, तो आई ऑलवेज यूज दिस लाइंस, तो उससे मुझे बहुत हील हुआ और मैं अभी बहुत परफेक्ट फील कर रही हूँ.
Wow,
वैसे फिजियोथेरेपी और जो ले रही थी उससे इतना इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं था, बट ये मिरेकल था मेरे लिए कि मैंने जब से ये बोलना शुरू किया, मुझे अंदर से फील हुआ कि मैं हील होकर एकदम ठीक हो गई हूँ.
Wow, see, so you have a proof here in the session itself. Okay, so this really helps. So we are connected, I think, since last 1-2 years now, right, Anu? So I'm so glad that this has happened. So all of you give a huge round of applause and sending you lots of love. May more miracles open up for you. That's the blessing. Okay, every single day. So every time you share, may 10 more come. Okay. All right. So now you have the sheet. First page is that you will do in the homework today. All of you will do the homework and send me the photo कि you have done it. Okay? Because that way you will be accountable. Teacher check करेगी तो हम कर लेते हैं ना. Teacher ये वाली teacher check नहीं करती है तो हम नहीं करते हैं वो वाला homework. So I would love all of you to become that student who will do it and send me the photo.
मैम इसमें क्या भरना है?
हाँ मैं बता रही हूँ. तो सबसे पहले जब आप चैंटिंग करेंगे तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, 15 मिनट्स का म्यूजिक लगाएंगे और चैंटिंग करेंगे, ये वाला आई एम सॉरी, थैंक यू, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, आई लव यू. म्यूजिक लगाएंगे, यूट्यूब पे आपको मिल भी जाएगा अबंडेंस म्यूजिक, या फिर आप कोई भी म्यूजिक लगाओ और ये 4 लाइन्स आप खुद बोलोगे. ये 4 लाइन जो आपको बोलने हैं वो भी आपके पेज पे लिखा हुआ है. आई एम सॉरी अबंडेंस, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू। 15 मिनट की म्यूजिक को लगा के आप ये चैंटिंग करेंगे सबसे पहले, फर्स्ट स्टेप। उसके बाद रात के टाइम को रखें इसको, जैसे शुरुआत हम सुबह की कर रहे हैं ना इसको करके, ताकि हम पूरे दिन की टोन को सेट कर रहे हैं। रात को सोने से पहले रात का टाइम भी बहुत पावरफुल है, क्योंकि आप जो भी थॉट के साथ सोएंगे वो रात भर आपके साथ रहेगा। अगर आपके घर में बच्चे हैं तो दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग टू एक्चुअली टीच देम, कि रात में एक बार पढ़ के सो जाओ, कोई चीज़ याद नहीं हो रही है, एक बार पढ़ के सो जाओ, पढ़ते पढ़ते सो जाओ, बिकॉज दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग कि वो बार बार रिवाइज होता जाएगा। सो हाउ डिड यू फील वाइल चैंटिंग? जब आप चैंट कर रहे थे तो आपको कैसा फील हो रहा था? ठीक है, तो आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना है उस पर, जो भी आपको फील हो रहा था, जो भी, वॉट एवर इज कमिंग। सेकेंड, डिड एनी मेमोरीज और इमोशन कम अप? क्योंकि जब आप शुरुआत में करेंगे तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो क्लोज्ड फोल्डर था जिसको हमने कहा हमें इसको नहीं देखना है, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है उसके बारे में सोचने की, वो खुल जाएगा, इट्स ओके। होम्योपैथिक में होता है ना, थोड़ा सा हमारा जो किसी भी चीज़ के लिए हम गए हैं तो वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है थोड़े टाइम के लिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो निकलेगा, वो शट अप, वो बंद भी हो जाएगा, तो उसको आने दें, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तो कोई मेमोरीज या कोई इवेंट आपके दिमाग में आया, कोई इमोशंस आया दूसरे डायरेक्शन में आया, तो राइट इट अप, बिकॉज बिकमिंग अवेयर इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप। यू नीड टू बिकम अवेयर कि यार ठीक है ये है। हम क्या करते हैं, भागते जाते हैं, मुझे नहीं सोचना, मुझे नहीं सोचना, मुझे नहीं सोचना, वो आएगा, वो है, तो वी विल हैव टू डील विद इट रादर देन भागना नहीं है उससे। तो डिड एनी मेमोरीज और इमोशंस कम? कोई मेमोरी या इमोशन पॉपअप हुआ? जो भी हुआ राइट इट। शेयर एनी अनएक्सपेक्टेड अबंडेंस सरप्राइजेस और इमोशनल शिफ्ट। आज पूरे दिन में जब आप रात में इसको करेंगे तो कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड अबंडेंस सरप्राइज मिला आपको, या कोई इमोशनल शिफ्ट आपको फील हो रहा है कि पहले बहुत हैवी फील हो रहा था, आज आई एम फीलिंग लाइटर द होल डे, या आज आई वॉज सो मच कॉन्फिडेंट इन इंटरेक्टिंग विद दैट पर्सन, या आज आई एम फीलिंग जैसे यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा बोझ था वो गायब हो चुका है आज। समथिंग यू विल फील, okay? I don't want to put any word in your mouth, you need to think in your head whatever will happen. I would like you to write down this. So this is the homework. Got it, all of you? This is the homework that I would love you to do, and then once you have done, just click a picture and send. Every single day you have to do everyday homework and send it every single day.
Ma'am, please explain day 1 and 2 also.
Day 1 and 2 also, okay. डे 1 एंड 2 में हम आते हैं फर्स्ट पेज पे। डे 1 है द विश लिस्ट ऑफ वेल्थ। जब भी आप कोई डिजायर्स, आप ऐसे सोचो कि डिजायर्स आपके पोर्टल है, अगर कोई भी डिजायर्स नहीं है तो मनी विल ऑल्सो नॉट कम टू यू। क्यों ही आना है? आर यू गेटिंग मी? क्यों ही आना है? इसके पास तो सब कुछ है। So it was very hard for me also to actually desire, because I also come from a spiritual background. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि what desires? I to have everything. I to have everything. ठीक है? But even then I would love you to desire. Have desires. क्योंकि spirituality ने हमें ये सिखाया है कि don't have any desires. I would love you to reframe that sentence. Don't have attachment to any desires. Desire करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन ये होना ही चाहिए, उसमें दिक्कत है। Are you getting me, all of you? डिजायर करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। डिजायर, बिकॉज डिजायर्स आर लाइक पोर्टल्स। 10 करोड़ का ये डिजायर, 5 करोड़ का ये डिजायर, 1 करोड़ का ये डिजायर, 10 लाख का ये डिजायर, 1 लाख का ये डिजायर। दैट मीन्स सेवरल पोर्टल्स यू आर मेकिंग ताकि वेल्थ कैन कम टू यू। नो डिजायर्स मीन्स नो वेल्थ, राइट इट। कोई डिजायर नहीं है तो वेल्थ इज ऑल्सो नॉट कमिंग, क्योंकि आपका कोई डिजायर्स ही नहीं है। उसको देंगे ना जिसको जरूरत है, आपको तो है ही नहीं। ठीक है, तो 100 चीज़ों की लिस्ट बनाएंगे जो आपको चाहिए। इस ईयर चाहिए, नेक्स्ट ईयर चाहिए, नहीं, कभी भी हो, हमें कोई अटैचमेंट नहीं है। कभी भी हो वो, हमें इतना ट्रस्ट है अपने पेरेंट के ऊपर, हमें इतना ट्रस्ट है अपने डिवाइन के ऊपर कि वो कभी भी हो, वी आर रेडी, कभी भी हो। ठीक है, बट हम अपने विश लिस्ट को देंगे ना, बताएंगे तो ना हमें ये चाहिए, तो यू विल जस्ट मेक द लिस्ट। इट कैन बी डू बी हैव, मुझे ये करना है का डिजायर, मुझे ये खरीदना है का डिजायर, मैं ये बनना चाहती हूँ का डिजायर। आई वॉन्ट टू बी डिसिप्लिन, आई वॉन्ट टू बी हैप्पी, आई वॉन्ट टू बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, आई वॉन्ट टू बी हेल्दी, आई वॉन्ट टू बी ग्रेटफुल, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव दैट iPhone, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव दैट Mac का लैपटॉप, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव दैट कबर्ड फुल ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वॉक इन वार्डरोब, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव दैट 6 BHK हाउस नियर बीच, आई वॉन्ट टू गो ऑन इंटरनेशनल हॉलीडेज, आई वॉन्ट टू go France, आई वॉन्ट टू गो वर्ल्ड टूर, whatever, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। ठीक है, डिजायर. Desire doesn't mean कि ये नहीं हुआ तो पता नहीं क्या. It's okay. Just write it. Open up your desire portal. That means you're opening up your money portal. ठीक है. तो ये आपका फर्स्ट योर विश लिस्ट. आप इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे. व्हाइट वाले पेज को भी यूज कर लीजिएगा. 108 चीजें कंप्लीट करना. हाउ डिड इट फील टू विश फ्रीली? जब आपने फ्रीली लिखा 108 चीजों को, इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है डू इट लाइक अ स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस. दैट मीन्स पुट म्यूजिक एंड डू इट. ये नहीं कि लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, हल्ला हो रहा है और चिल्लम चिल्ली कर रहे हैं और साथ साथ में हम लिख भी रहे हैं. आई वॉन्ट यू टू मेक इट अ स्पिरिचुअल एक्सपीरियंस. लाइट योर कैंडल, पुट अप द म्यूजिक एंड डू इट. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पे हम करते हैं. सेम एक्सपीरियंस. लाइट कैंडल, पुट अप द म्यूजिक एंड डू इट एट योर. दिस इज योर टाइम विथ योर ओन सेल्फ, योर टाइम विथ योर डिवाइन in a different manner. Then how did it feel to wish it freely? What surprised you about your life? Now there will be some things which you will be like, मुझे नहीं पता था मुझे ये चाहिए था. I'll tell you about and now anytime you see somebody else with something and you feel jealous, I would love you to see, oh my god, that means I desire that. Come and add in your list. Jealousy should be out of your emotion. Anytime now you will see somebody with a bigger car, bigger house, bigger jewelry, bigger beauty, height, whatever. Okay, if you are feeling jealous, I would love you to acknowledge that yes, I'm feeling jealous. Why am I feeling jealous? Because God is showing you that you desire that. You have just suppressed it. Are you getting me? So it's God's way of showing you. So now we have a positive meaning to jealousy. God is showing you that you desire that. Write that and add it in your list. Okay? So you can, if you can make 108 right now, good. You can leave also 1020. Because sometimes you will, the life will show you कि अरे ये भी चाहिए यार मुझे. Write it. Don't be ashamed of the desires. You're not desiring from somebody else. You're not going to someone else and saying, give me. You're desiring from your parent, from the universe. Only one connection we have with the universe, right? So what surprised you about your list? क्या कुछ ऐसी चीजें भी आपने लिस्ट में लिखी जो आपको लगा था यार मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए था? I remember I felt कि I don't need diamond jewelry. It's such a waste. Really, I'm telling you. ठीक है? From last 3 years, when my sister got married and she got a lot of diamond jewelries, and I was like, यार, why am I also feeling like I also want it? It's okay. So till that time I was feeling I don't know, I don't desire. This is such a waste to keep it properly, and then you can wear like any jewelry and it looks like diamond nowadays, right? So it doesn't matter. Why to invest in that? But as I saw her wearing 5 rings in this hand, 5 rings in this hand, and coming with that, and I was like, मुझे भी मन कर रहा है यार. So it's okay to own the desires. So sometimes it will be very different. Really, I'm telling you, I was like, no. Till now also, I don't wear any my gold jewelry. It's just in the locker. It's for the locker purpose. I don't, and because I lose every time I wear it. Every time I'll wear, कुछ ना कुछ गिर जाएगा. All of us. Because see, we don't have that connection now with the jewelry. That's why we lose it. Abhi, I went to Bangkok. I lost my diamond earring. इतनी दिन बाद I thought to wear one. I lost it. Lose करके वापस आ गई. तो अच्छा है भाई, तुम मत पहनो. You wear a new one every single day. वही ठीक है मेरे लिए. Let it be like an investment. So what surprised you about your list? कुछ surprises मिले आपको अपने लिस्ट में कि यार ये भी चाहिए था क्या मुझे? मैंने तो लिस्ट में डाला है. ठीक है? Then write any small synchronicities you noticed today. कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिसमें आपको लगा चीजें आसानी से बन गई, काम आसानी से हो गया. तो आसानी से नहीं हुआ है. There is somebody else that has done for you. He has done for you. That's why you feel कि आसानी से हो गया. You went to a doctor and आपका नंबर पहले आ गया. You went to dentist and he said कि I don't want to take any money from you today. You went. Any synchronicities that happened in your life, mention that. Anything, you lost your purse and the person came back. I lost my mobile actually in the cab. Okay, we were going from, we were in Phuket in the drive and I left it. The driver came and gave me back. I was like, ऐसा भी होता है क्या? And the driver was not understanding my language. He was only understanding Thai language. हम कहीं से पता नहीं कैसे करके बात करके we reached to that person कि we are here. But the driver actually came and gave that back. Any synchronicities, any miracles कि बाकी लोगों के लिए difficult, आपके लिए आसान? कैसे? You are in that energy. So any small synchronicities that you noticed, sign that you noticed, then list all the positive things you believe, feel, or think about abundance. So list down all the positive things you believe. That means what is your personal belief? जो है, day 2 I'm talking about, first page. All of you are understanding what I'm explaining. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? So, list down all the positive things you believe, feel, or think about. I had a class from 9:30. I've already extended it. So list all the positive things you believe, think, or believe about abundance. आपका जो पर्सनल बिलीफ है पॉजिटिव कि आई थिंक मनी कम्स टू मी ईजिली, आई थिंक अबंडेंस इज द नेचर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, आई फील वेन एवर आई डिज़ायर थिंग्स हैपन टू मी, ठीक है, वॉट एवर इट इज़. या फिर यू विल थिंक ऑफ योर बैक एक्सपीरियंसेस, एक्सपीरियंस में कुछ लेकर जाओ, कब हुआ है चीज़ें, आसानी से राइट इट डाउन. लिस्ट ऑल द नेगेटिव थिंग्स यू बिलीव अबाउट अबंडेंस, वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अरे मनी डजंट ग्रो ऑन ट्रीज, rich people are bad people, people who charge money are the baddest people of this universe, whatever comes to our mind. ये लोग तो पता नहीं, ये लोग तो लूट कर इन्होंने ये रिच बने हैं. We have so many different kind of things that is there in our head because we have learnt it, right? Money doesn't grow on trees. It's struggle that makes money. You have to struggle, ghiso. Then you will make money. So many things, right? So all the negative things that you heard about money, you believe, or you feel, or you think, all the negative things, be open, write it. Don't judge yourself. यार ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, मैं ये सोच रही हूँ. It's okay. Don't judge. ये है बस. Then what negative patterns did you discover? Now have a reflection. क्या negative patterns आपने देखा? Just be aware कि हाँ, maybe your parents taught you something, maybe your friends taught you something, somebody around teaches us something. One of my strongest belief was spiritual people don't charge money. Very strong belief. Very strong. It took me really a time to actually get over it. Did any situation reflect your abundance frequency today? कोई भी ऐसा situation जिसने आपके abundance frequency को ऊपर नीचे कर दिया, जिसमें आपने सेम abundance से सोचा नहीं, lack से सोचा. Write it. Are you getting it? So we are getting into the abundance. We are immersing ourselves into the abundance energy fully and completely. Got it? Clear? Homework? ठीक है. Now be up to date with the homeworks. ठीक है. चलो. Wish you all the best. Close your eyes.
मैम,
Yeah.
मैं तो हाँ मैम, मैं अभी बाहर हूँ 2 दिन के लिए,
हाँ.
तो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होगा मेरे लिए करना.
करो, आप जैसे कर सकते हो. वी ऑल हैव समथिंग्स, आप जितना कर सकते हो उतना करो. आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट टू डू, यू डू. आप जितना कर सकते हो, ठीक है, आप जितना कर सकते हो. इट्स आई विल टेल यू एज अ टीचर व्हाट इज नीड टू बी डन. यू डिसाइड हाउ मच यू कैन डू. दिस इज टू बी डन, ठीक है. हाउ मच यू कैन डू, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. एज मच यू विल डू, यू विल गेट. इट्स योर जर्नी, ठीक है. इट्स योर जर्नी विद द अबंडेंस. यू कितना यूज कर सकते हो as per you, ठीक है. All right, let me see all of you. Unpin. Okay, put all your hands together. Archana is not there. Archana, team Gyanam, Archana, yeah. Archana, where are you? You can just unmute. So you will say sending love and abundance, speaking each. Yeah, Archana, where are you? We can't see you. So
I don't know. I think something went wrong.
Your video is off. I have just asked to start a video. You will click on it. It will be fine.
Later.
So just
The hostess started video. Okay.
yeah. All right. So let's put your hands together and let's pray for each one of them. So you will say the name, sending love. Let universe. Yeah, we can see you, Archana. Perfect. Dr. Lalan and Archana, matching. I and Anuradha, matching. All right. Okay. So let's.
We are soulmates.
Kajal and Kanjali.
I don't hear you. Wait.
You can't hear me? Can you? Today we have just. Can you
Now
hear?
it's yes. Now yes.
Okay, great. So let's put our hands together and we'll do a quick prayer for each one of us here. Okay? When we do prayer for others, life is a boomerang.
Hmm.
It will come back to you. Okay? इसलिए हम क्यों कहते थे कि पूरे संसार सुखी हो, सब कुछ सुखी हो. हमें लगता अब कुछ टाइम बाद हम सोचने लगे यार संसार क्यों सुखी हो, मैं सुखी हूँ बस. Okay, so let's do this prayer for each. So you will tell the name and send blessings from the universe to each, like sending love and blessings to Kajal from the universe. Let everything comes true. Sending love and blessings to Gitanjali. Let everything comes true. Sending love and blessings like this. You will take each and everybody's name and say. So unmute and we will do together. Okay, let's do it together.
Yes. Okay.
Connect with the universe. Close your eyes. Fold your hand and let's do it. I'll just put up our music.
Okay.
Sending love. So you'll speak out. Okay, I should hear you. All of us should hear each other. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है clear आवाज़ आने की. We will do it together. Just do it. Okay. Sending love and blessings. A lot of love and blessings to Kajal. Sending all love and blessings to Gitanjali. All love and blessings to Dr. Lalan. Sending love and blessings to
Sending love
Kajal, and love and blessing and abundance to
sending love
all the souls connected in this,
May God always be there on your side.
sending love and
and sending lots of love
to Anuradha,
Hug yourself.
and sending lots of love to my
Raja,
sending love and lots of love.
blessing to
Give yourself a hug. This is self hug. If you don't know, this is self hug. We don't need to wait for anybody to hug us. We can always hug. Whenever you are feeling alone, just do this.
to all of us, sending love and blessing to all of us, sending love and blessing to all of us.
And now, Lord, all of you come together. Let's do a group hug, soul hug.
Sending love and blessing to all of us, sending love and blessing to all of us.
Have a beautiful day. Today I have crossed and 20 minutes the other person is waiting, but it's okay. You all do your homework properly. Bye. Take care. Have a beautiful day.
Bye.
Be in frequency of abundance, love,